Okay. Hello, dear friends. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And I got this one. This one is a winner unboxing. Oh, that's one of the few that opens up easy. Uh-oh. So you open up this one. Echelon, Echelon, Echelon. That is a smart one. Echelon, Echelon. My bad. Okay. What is this? There is something hidden here. Must be not so important. See, there is something hidden there. Anyway, so I got this one because I do not like earbud goes to my ear. So this one is actually not on your ear. Let me show you this picture. Why do they do this way? See, it is hanging on the ear. Oh yeah, it is quite comfortable. Let me connect it. Oh, I can hear. Zzzz. Yeah, this is hanging on the ear and not get into the ear. That's good. That's good. I think this way is the sound getting out, and here is the ear, and you hang it here like this. It's good. I love it. Oh, it's magnetic. Magnetic. Ah, this one first. This one. Oh yeah, whichever way. It's flat, so it's easy to get to your ear. The right one. This is the left. Did he write it left, right? It didn't write left, right. But your ear knows, your natural intelligence. Oh, yes, this is left. Here is a teeny tiny little word. Left. See? Left. Okay, I will take a shower and then I will show you how it works. Yeah, it goes to the ear but not get into the inside of the ear. Get inside of the ear and touch your too much deeper. It's pretty good. That's it. Enjoy. pair it. Quick pairing, deep bass. I will listen to the sound and tell you. I need to use this cell phone to listen to the sound. Wow! So I connected to my computer, and the sound is so comfortable. This is the sound because you wear it like this. This is your ear, and it goes to your ear, and the sound is it's good. Yeah, I love it. Bye bye, friends. Lot of tiny magnetic make it enclose. And this is the charging part. Enjoy.